Hey guys, how you doing? Jimmy D here from Jimmy D's Guitar Lessons Rock Talk. Today, let's talk about strings. Gotta have my glasses on for this. I'm getting old. I can't see that close up. There's a lot of different sizes of strings. There's different brands of strings and different gauges. There's electric, acoustic, there's nylon, you name it, they're out there. Do a search on the internet, you'll find lots of information on it. So I'm just going to kind of tell you what I use and why, and just a few of the packs that I have here and what they're all about. Okay. I'm going to ask you guys, put a comment below. I want to know what strings you guys use and why. What made you go to that size, brand, whatever? Is it price? Is it because your buddy has them? Is it because of the gauge? Let me know down below. And if you want to see more videos, click like and subscribe. And I'll usually put out a video every week, and I got some guitar lessons and some other stuff for beginners. Alright, here we go. Ernie Ball here. These are the ones that I use, the Ernie Ball slinky ones. They go from 9 to 46. So your E string, your thick string would be at 46, and your A string would be at 36, your D string at 26, G 16, B 11, and E is 9. No, I'm not playing bingo. That's the gauges on here. And what it is, it's the thickness. So you go to the store, you buy strings. Some guy might say, "Hey, what kind of strings do you want?" Like, oh, what size? Like, a lot of people refer to these as 9s, extra lights. You know, there's 10s. I've got a hybrid here where your big thick string, the E string, is at 42, then at 32, then 24. They're a little heavier in gauge compared to this. But the skinnier strings are skinny, they're the same. So you get a deeper bass sound, and you'll get the same bendy for doing solos and whatnot. It's kind of cool. Here's another one. Zakk Wylde strings. Pretty cool. These are 10 to 46. So in the store you could say, "Hey, I need some 10s." So these would be 10s, mediums. So these are, you got 46 gauge, 36, and 26, 17, 13, and 10. A little heavier than these ones. Look at them to compare. See? Oh, there we go. So they're heavier. There's heavier strings. If you look on the internet, there's a whole bunch. Like, I've got some links below for my Amazon affiliate. You can go up there, take a look. I'll have a few of these up here, and you can take a look. And when you're browsing around on Amazon there, you'll see different gauges and whatnot. They'll talk about them a little bit. I do have also, these are my acoustic guitar strings. And what are these ones at? These are mediums, 13 to 56. So I'm gonna do a video on changing guitar strings probably later on this week, and you know what, I might change some acoustic strings and show that. Why these strings? Okay, not because you know, there's a whole bunch of people listed on the back that play this and they endorse them. I have a few guitars on the wall. You see me play my ESP LTD Truckster a lot. I usually use the mediums on here, but what I'm starting to do now, I'm starting to use these ones here. Sorry, not these ones. These ones. Why I like these? Because I have some floating bridges, whammy bars, and when you're playing one of those guitars, you want them nice and loose. Yeah, it's just easier to tune. There's springs on the back of the guitars, and if they're too heavy, you're going to be fighting with that spring, and it's just going to be, you know, fighting all the time. I use these things and it stays in tune. It's nice and flat and level, and I really like these. These are really cool. I like them. So it's a nice short video on strings. Some more again. It's really what your preferences, you know, what your styles are. You know, sometimes the best thing is, you know, I'm looking on the internet, or I go to my local guitar shop and I see these on sale, and it's like, hey, I'll buy some. But what I like doing is I have a little spreadsheet that I use, that I mark down what strings I use, what gauge, what brand, and you know, what date and guitar I put them on. And one of the reasons is, if you're doing if I'm doing my Ibanez guitar that has a floating bridge on there, if I change the brand on here, it's not always going to be the same. So it's very finicky. But anyways, strings. Got any questions, comments, leave them below. Click like and subscribe if you like this, and we'll see you next time. Rock on.
Click like and subscribe. Please leave your comments below. Thanks for watching. Rock on.